Welcome explorers to Fact Frenzy, where nature's mysteries come to life. Yes, have you ever seen a butterfly with numbers on its wings? Is it a message, a secret, or something beyond our understanding? Stay with me as we reveal the story of the 8998 butterfly. In the heart of the rainforest, where nature hides its greatest wonders, there exists a butterfly unlike any other, with wings painted in striking red, black and white. It carries a mystery that has fascinated scientists and nature lovers. Today, we uncover the incredible story of 8998 butterfly, a tiny creature with a secret written in its wings. This butterfly refers to a group of butterflies in the Diaethria genus, particularly Diaethria anna and Diaethria neglecta. These butterflies are known for the striking black, white and red patterns on the underside of their wings, which resembles the numbers 89 or 98. And therefore, these butterflies are famous for its wings, because its wing pattern naturally form the number 89 or 98, making it one of the most visually unique species in the butterfly world. The markings serve as both camouflage and an evolutionary advantage against the predators. Some more fascinating facts about the 8998 butterfly. No two butterflies have exactly the same markings, making each one unique. The 89 or 98 patterns on the underside of its wings are a natural formation of black and white lines on a red background. These butterflies are native to Central and South America, especially in countries like Brazil, Colombia, and Peru. They prefer humid, dense forests but can sometimes be seen in open areas near rivers and streams. Male butterflies gather around damp soil, mud and even animal dung to absorb minerals and salts that help them attract mates. It's a brush-footed butterfly. Yes, despite having 6 legs, its front legs are much shorter and covered in fine hairs, giving it the appearance of having only 4 legs. Their bright colors serve as the warning, a defense mechanism where bright colors warn predators of potential toxicity or bad taste. They have a short but beautiful lifespan. The average lifespan of an 8998 butterfly is only a few weeks to a few months, depending on environmental conditions. And the most interesting fact, people consider them a symbol of luck. Some cultures believe spotting this butterfly brings good fortune, as the number patterns are seen as a natural code from the universe. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing nature discoveries. And hey, let me know in the comments what's your favorite butterfly, or have you ever seen an 8998 butterfly in real life? Thanks for watching, and always stay curious, stay amazed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.